Force is defined as pushing or pulling acting on a body. Whenever something moves, the force must be involved. When I apply the force on the chair moves. This means the force is involved.
When I throw a ball, when I move a ball, the forces can make the stationary object move.
When a batsman hit a cricket ball with his bat, he applied force. That means force can change the direction of motion of moving object.
If we apply brakes to a bicycle, it first slows down and then stops.
When I press the sports ball, it changes shape. It means the force can change the shape of an object.
Forces, contact forces, non-contact forces.
Force that only act when there is a physical contact between two interfering objects known as contact force. Examples: muscular force and friction force. This activity is showing the example of muscular force. He is using muscles to do this activity. Force which is applied by the muscles of our body is called muscular force or biological force. Some physical activities like going upstairs the stairs and coming downstairs the stairs, it uses muscular force. Jumping is used muscular force. Lifting an object is also a muscular force. The animals, birds and insects use muscular force for survival. For playing, they use muscles for playing. It is also a best example for muscular force. The force which opposes relative motion between two surfaces in contact is called frictional force. Push a heavy chair left to right. When push a chair left to right, does it move when I apply a small force on it? No. Now I increase the force until it starts moving. Force of frictional always opposes two forces between surface in contact. This activity shows that the force of friction always opposes motion of an object.
Non-contact force. Forces being applied without touching the body. This is called action at a distance force. It is also called non-distance force. Example: electrostatic force, magnetic force, and gravitational force.
Gravitational force. The gravitational force attracts the particle of matter. The gravitational force exerts by the earth to all bodies. When you throw a ball vertically, it comes to the ground. When you drop a ball, it comes again to the ground. Because of gravitational force.
Gravitational force acts without contact. It is known as contact force. Gravitational force always attract with a force, unlike magnetic force or electrostatic force.
Magnetic force. The force exerted by the magnet on some objects like iron, cobalt, and alloy like steel is called magnetic force. Force of magnet. The like force repel each other. And the unlike force attract each other. To demonstrate that the magnetic force attract and the magnetic force work from a distance. Take a magnet and attract it to the strip. It attracts from the distance. It shows that it attracts from the distance.
Electrostatic charge exert a force known as electromagnetic force. Take a plastic ruler or pen. Rub it vigorously on your hair. Make sure your hair would be dry. Bring the plastic ruler near the paper beds. You can see that paper beds attract the plastic ruler. This shows the electrostatic force.